Shalom and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial video, we will be looking at how you can publish your app on the Oppo App Store. All right, yeah, on the Oppo App Store. So um, there are times where I've always been saying this, that if you only concentrate on having your app on Google Play Store, you would be missing out on the full potential of your app, especially in terms of its reach and the number of downloads that you have, and then your daily app users. All right, because there are certain apps that will drown in Google Play Store that would actually, but then will actually thrive on other app stores. All right. So in this particular tutorial video, we are going to look at another app store that you can publish your app on, that can also give you a good number of downloads. And we are going to look at how you can publish your app on that store step by step. All right. Yes. So then again, especially for those that are into app monetization, Oppo App Store is also an AdMob supported app store. All right. It's an AdMob supported app store, meaning that if you are not able to get your app on Google Play Store and you are able to get it on the Oppo app market, okay, you're able to get it on the Oppo app market, you can still get your app verified in Google AdMob with it. All right. Okay. So now let's get straight into it. So first of all, as you can see, I've already published a good number of apps over here. So let's now look at how you too can also do it yourself. So first, you go to the add over here. Okay, but first you need to create a developer account. So the link, this particular link over here, would be in the description. So after you open this link, you would now create an account. So after creating an account and everything, you will be brought to this page. So when you are brought to this page, you open the application menu and then you tap on the app market. When you tap on the app market, you just tap on upload your app. So when you tap on the app, upload your app, it will now bring you to this side over here where you can see your app list and everything. This is the developer console for the Oppo developers app store. All right. Yes. So now let's publish our app. So over here, you input the name of your app over here. Okay. You input the name of your app and then its package name. So you input the package name over here. Okay. The package name of your app would go here. And then after that, you tap on submit. All right. So after tapping on submit, okay, you will now see that the app is here. This is it. As you can see, the app that we just uploaded is over here. So now when you are done, you just tap on you open the app to tap, you just tap on the publish, and it will now bring up the app details that you need to fill first. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you have to upload the APK of your app. So I've uploaded the AP, so the APK is uploading. So whilst the APK is uploading, you can now select the category of your app. Okay, you can select the category of your app. All right. So if the category is not here, it's best to just leave it on something like tools. Okay, yeah. If any app, every single app is a tool. So if you are not getting the exact category for it, you can leave it on tools. And then the regions that you want your app to be published, you can select all of these regions. Okay, you can select all of these regions, but then you need to take note that with some of the regions, you would need a certain document, especially the China and those ones, and you'll see that very soon. So let's select all of the regions for now. So you can select these regions. Or if you just want to publish it in a certain specified area, that one too is fine. Yes. So this is what I was talking about, the software copyright certification. Yes. Because the Indonesia and some other countries related to it uh, were selected in the regions that you want your app to be distributed in. Those regions will require you to upload a software copyright certification. All right. Yes, they would require you to upload a software copyright certification. All right. So the software copyright certification would require you to do certain stuffs like having to go and get a registered business and all of those kind of stuffs. Yeah, that is actually what they are asking for. That is what they are asking for. So in order to save yourself the stress of having to do all this, you can just remove that particular country from it, the Indonesian country. I don't really know the continent Indonesia is in, but you can just decide to exclude it so that you can escape all of that. All right. So right now I'm going to choose only Africa. So as we choose only Africa, yeah, as we have chosen only Africa, now for the software copyright information, what you can do is you can just upload a screenshot of your code or any where you built your app. Yeah, something to prove that this thing you have actually you were the one that actually built the app. But then if you select those Indonesian um people, yeah, you add them to your country list, you would have to actually get verified documents to do that. So with this one, what I'm going to do currently is, honestly, I'm just going to upload a logo of the, okay, I decided to rather upload a screenshot of the app. But then yeah, you can upload something that proves that you were the one that actually built the app and that you haven't copied it from someone. But then like I said, if you are really going to this thing, fill in for the going for Indonesian countries and all of this kind of stuff. So you actually need to get actual documents. So the next thing is the languages. So now for the English is default. That one by all means you have to fill it. So you have to fill that one. Okay, so you tap on filling information and then you fill in with the necessary information regarding your app. All right, so I've filled in the details that are needed, the one sentence introduction, the description too. I wrote this with AI here, and you can do that totally allowed. And then the version description, you can put in something like run smoothly or bug fixes or something like that. Yeah. And then you upload an icon. You upload the image of your logo, the icon of your app, and then screenshots of the app. So with the screenshots and the logo, one thing you should know is that you have to follow the resolutions. Okay. Yeah, you have to follow the resolutions that they give you. So for the resolution, you can use the imageresizer.com. Okay, you would see, I would also leave the link to it in the description, but then this is it, imageresizer.com. So when you are done with that, these things too, if you wish to fill them in, you can fill them in. Okay, yeah, if you wish to fill them in, you can fill them in. And then after that, but then they are not compulsory. So the only ones that are compulsory are the ones with the red asterisk behind it. So when you are done, then you just tap on the save. All right, when you are done, you tap on the save. Okay, so it's left with this. Okay, so apparently it's almost like we have to fill in all of these languages too. Okay, if you have the time, you can do that. But if you really don't have the time, you can just tap on the copy to all selected languages. Okay, and then the language that you have successfully input. Okay, yeah, so you copy this, then you just tap on OK. Then you tap on OK. All right. So when it happens like that, it will take the information that you filled in with the English and then feel the exact same thing for all these other languages. And then when you're done, you just tap on the submit. Hold on. Okay, so then again, there's even a much easier way to do this. What you can do is you can just tap on the select languages over here. Um, the reason why all of them were showing was because all was selected. So you can just tap on clear and then you select only English and then you tap on confirm. Yeah, that's the much simpler way to do this. And then when you are done, you just tap on submit. Um, okay, so now we have submitted the app. So now it will take about 1 to 2 business days for the app to be live. Okay, once it's live, you will get an email notification for it. All right, so that's basically it. So now, as you can see, the app is here. You can tap on the view details and then you can see everything. So when it is live, this post status will change from reviewing to published. All right, yeah, it's going to change from reviewing to published. So that's basically it. That's how you can publish your app on the Oppo app market. All right. For more tutorials on the various app stores that you can publish your apps on and how you can do that, do well to subscribe to my channel because more will be coming your way so that when it releases or when it drops, you will get a notification. Because trust me, there are a lot of beautiful app stores out there that would patronize your app more than Google Play Store will. I'm not overtraining the fact that Google Play Store is important, but then what I'm saying is that you do not end at Play Store. There are various other app stores that are very beautiful, and you would just thank yourself if you give yourself the chance to explore it. All right. So subscribe to my channel for more amazing contents like this. Do well to give this video a thumbs up if you found it very beneficial and helpful for you. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye bye.